Hey everyone, this is Jeff Telford, Chief Product Officer at Javari. We're at Disaster City today. We're doing an exercise. Going to be a lot of excitement, a lot of fun. Yeah, it's a really unique facility that they have at Texas A&M. They call it Disaster City. There's a lot of different scenarios all around here. They bring in firefighters and first responders just so they can exercise, they can practice, so they're prepared in real life.
I'm Wesley Lutz, the Assistant Director for Emergency Management at A&M. We're at the Interop2024 exercise, just excited to test out new technologies, new functionalities within WebEOC. We utilize WebEOC to track all kinds of information for situational awareness. We also use it to track resource requests and send resource requests up to the state. So it provides full visibility of where the resources are within the request process. A lot of people within the state use it. It just seems to be a natural fit for us.
Hi, I'm Michael Fox. I'm Executive Director of the Interop2024 Evaluation Center, or ITEC. And today we're over at Disaster City, just off the main campus, running an exercise, testing out some new technology. One of those technologies is Javari's WebEOC. For the vendors involved, they get to get direct feedback from the first responders and other emergency management personnel that would use their products on a daily basis. So the folks involved here are actual emergency responders and emergency management folks from Brazos County, from Bryan, Texas, from College Station, Texas, and a lot of federal agencies, state agencies.